one little light. If this was nighttime, there would be some major flames going on right now. Did I park my Tesla too close? That's the question. It's starting to burn. Oh, that's getting hot. There goes the safe. I don't know if the buttons are gonna work anymore. It's already 100 degrees out here. Then you light a fire. The safe is burning. The keypad is on fire right now. The safe might be fireproof, but the keypad is not. Do you see that? Oh my gosh. I think I'm getting some fire on my Tesla. Okay. Oh wow, this side of the safe, look at that. I thought it'd take forever to burn this safe. Turns out the safe is very flammable. It's not just like a little bit of liquid, the thing is just burning and melting. The keypad is literally melted off of the safe and there's just a hole there now. High. It is high temperature. 958 degrees right there on the black part of the safe. I don't know, it's only been 5 or 6 minutes. Think we could kill that fire? Whoa. Oh, second garbage can of liquids. Oh, that is great. Wow, look at the safe. I don't even think I need to use my fire extinguisher. Let's get this safe out of here. I'm gonna stand on this board like I'm surfing, but at least my shoes aren't getting dirty. Yes! It's out! Oh, nice. I got it. I got it. Look at that.
Wow.
We're in! Yes! Oh, it's hot in there. Oh, that's hot. Oh, money. Wait. Wait.
The money's not burnt.
This money is not burnt. 140 degrees. Which, to be fair, 140 degrees, I would classify that as fireproof. Somehow the GoPro turned off during that process, but the GoPro is still alive.
Everything still is in there.
How's the Donovan Mitchell card? That's what I need to know.
There's it. There it is. It looks okay. Just is a little bit hot.
It is still a PSA 9.
The fire really didn't get in there with that much. I mean, that was really hot.
You have 20 seconds. Any money that you can get, you keep. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I gave you too much time. Time's up. The front of this completely melted off. It turns out a 10-minute fire, probably around 1700, which is the max capacity of this. Even these sports cards that you would think would melt really easily, I mean, they're fine right now.
I think it's really crazy to see all this like dust that's just all like crumbled apart, and I think that's the fire resistant.
Yeah, on the inside, there's a bunch of stuff that looks kind of like drywall. So yeah, is the safe fireproof? I'm gonna give it a yes. Good job, safe. Let us know what other scientific tests you want us to do.